Marie and Nila Care and Style includes 7 different series, each one to boost your hair with what's needed. Of course, you'll meet clients that have several needs for their hair and scalp. In this film, we'll inspire you on how a consultation takes place and what mix of care and style we'll recommend to our clients. To find the right mix for my clients, I always make sure to ask what their preferences are or what they think is the problem today. The history of the hair is very important to get a better understanding of what the hair has been through and why we need to boost the hair with specific products to get it healthy again. My client has bleached hair, both chemically bleached and from the sun. As most of our blonde clients, she fights the golden tones, but also wants to keep the quality of the hair. Bleached hair has a chemical damage that we need to take care of to still achieve shine and a healthy surface. She wishes a cooler tone that is easy to maintain, as well as repairing the damage in the length from bleaching and styling tools. The first thing I use is the shampoo. And since she wants to maintain her cool tone and not let any golden tones be visible, I use sheer silver. Sheer silver has a pH of 5.5 to 6. Which makes this a kind silver shampoo that doesn't open the cuticle more than needed. It's formulated with violet pigments that will help me neutralize the golden tones. Since we need to repair her damaged lengths, I'll move on with the Structure Repair Mask. It's great for damaged, dry and chemically treated hair and is formulated with repairing algae that helps the hair to regain its natural strength by adding softness and luster. I leave the mask in towel-dried hair for 10 minutes before rinsing. To finish this session, I use Sheer Silver Conditioner. Sheer Silver Conditioner has violet pigments but also blackberry extract, which gives shine to the hair. We need shine to see the cool tones and also have a healthy look. To maximize moisture and repair the structure, I mix Structure Repair Leave-In Cream together with True Soft Argan Oil to create a new formula, and I add it into damp hair. This mix will boost the shine and moisture and will also seal split ends in an easy way. It can also be used on dry hair.